So what's up guys? In this video I'm just gonna break down the UJ trade that I placed today. And you all know that for the past 1 or 2 weeks right now I've not been really looking at UJ, which is it's painful because when I decide not to be looking at that's when it started trending. But I was able to get some little money from it today. So let's just go and analyze it with you guys. On 4 hours time frame we can see how the market has created this M pattern, the double top. We have this double top right here. Then again we have a retest at this point. We have the retest, right? We have a retest at this point. Then we have the market creating this. We can count this as the swing high and the swing another swing high, and we have the swing low right here. So to me now, you don't need anybody to tell you that since we have two swing highs and we have one swing low, then basically we should know that the market is giving us a downtrend, regardless of whether the US dollar is strong or not. So moving forward, I can like the trade was here before. This is actually the move that I was talking about. But before this move, I woke up to see the trade. It was around I think around this, it was around 7 a.m. when I saw the trade. Then moving on to 1 hour time frame. So I hope you guys understand this now. So moving on to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, I can see same thing. The market has been creating. This is the high, this is the swing low, and this is the new swing high. Then having to retest this particular zone. If I may do this, you probably understand this right now. So after I saw this, I'm like, okay, no problem. Then waking up in the morning, I can see the market has retested. This was my entry around 7 a.m. right here. Okay, I can see how many times sellers and buyers have been battling in this area, in this particular zone. I've seen this thing happen multiple times actually. So what I'm trying to, let me just draw this here. Previous this was a low previously, right? Then this was the high previously, but now we have the market having to create a new mini higher high and higher low just to come and test this, to complete this pattern, this M pattern in this area, which is to give us a new low, a new high rather. Then why the market was doing it, your job as a person is you're not supposed to enter. You can enter here, which is good, but at the same time you have to be careful because again the market might override this and just continue. You have to wait for the market to start shifting from the bullish momentum that we have here on 1 hour time frame. The market is creating higher high, higher low, higher and higher low, higher and higher low. Then what do I see? I saw that we have this red candle, like very strong, broke below the buys, having to took the sellers took over from buyers in this area. And for me, I saw that another candle pushed down a little bit, having to confirm that sellers are actually taking over, not buyers anymore. So all I have to do is just I waited, and I didn't enter my trade using 1 hour, but I just used this 2 hour, 4 hours, and 1 hour time frame to confirm my buyers. Then I used smaller time frame like 5 and 15 minute time frame to enter my trade. So after I confirm it, then I know that anything below this area is gonna sell, then anything above it is gonna buy. Then I just use the same mindset. I went to 15-minute time frame. So on 15-minute time frame, this is how I was able to enter my trade. On 15-minute time frame, I can see that we can see many, like where the buyers are taking over, and you see how sellers took over and just how to take the shine. And again, the market start creating a new mini trend. Then after which the market created a double top, then rejected and retested, and again everything is still rejecting from the low. Remember when I said anything below this rectangle, this zone here, is sell, and anything above it is buy. Then I got this point and I was like, okay, no problem. I'm seeing multiple week, I'm seeing multiple confirmation. Again, previously the market sold in this area. The market sold in this. Every time the market get to this point, it keeps selling. It sold here, selling here. Then every time it gets to this point, it's buying. So for me, I don't need anybody to tell me these are my confluences in the market. Then I was able to just put my stop. I entered at this point. Yeah. Then my stop loss was about. I wanted to put my stop loss here, but as I let don't let me. I should just give you room to just let the market do what it has to do. Then immediately I entered the trade. It start moving. To be honest, it start moving. Then I close some of my trade around here. Let's just say here about 80 pips. I think not bad, right? About about 1 to 5, right? No, sorry. Yeah, 1 to 5. If I'm correct, or 1 to 5 and they have a 1 to 6 thereabout. I mean, what do you think? So how was your day overall? How was your day? With that being said, this is the video and I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.